To check your Fidelity routing number, start by visiting the official Fidelity website. Once you are on the home page, scroll down to the bottom where you will find various links. Look for a section labeled Customer Service or Oh Help, which typically contains important information regarding account management. Once you find the Customer Service section, search for a link to routing numbers or wire transfers. This section will provide detailed information about routing numbers associated with Fidelity accounts. It's crucial to select the correct routing number based on the type of transaction you are planning to make, such as direct deposits, electronic transfers, or wire transfers. If you prefer a more direct approach, you can also find your routing number on your checks. Look at the bottom left corner of the check. Though the routing number is usually the first series of numbers printed. Remember that Fidelity may have different routing numbers for different states or account types, so ensure you verify the information based on your location. Finally, if you have difficulty finding the routing number or need further assistance, consider calling Fidelity's customer support line. Their representatives can provide you with accurate information and help clarify any questions you may have regarding your account or transactions. It is always better to double-check to avoid any issues with your banking transactions.